To install Python with OpenCV, go to your python.org, get a screen, go to your downloads, choose Windows, and you can see all the releases that are there for Python for Windows. Now go with the version. I would choose Python 3.7.5. Click on Windows x86-64 executable installer. You could see the file got downloaded. Make a right click, destination folder. I'm going to place it in my C drive. I have a folder called Python 3.7. Let me paste it here. Now click here, choose custom installation, not your install now. Choose custom installation. Verify whether you have your documentation, PIP, ideally, and Python test suite enabled. Click next. Now it gives a custom install location. Choose a location. By default, it has taken Python 3.7, the same folder where I choose this Python 3.7. Give install. Now I could see all files getting downloaded, all standard libraries. So wait for a few seconds for the installation to complete. And then you will see your pip bootstrap being downloaded. Got the message that my setup was successful, right? So finally, Python with pip has been installed. Now close this. Now this is a folder where my Python